Alright, it's been a while to update my drum boat video, so today I just want to show you what I'm planning to do to my boat. Now the boat is set up nicely to be able to fish out of the water anytime, and today I will minimize my boat, minimize the weight. So the plan is I'll remove the deck, the foot trolley motor, and the battery. I think all these things at least probably between 120 to 150 pounds. Let's see how much speed I can gain with my 5 horsepower Mercury engine. And once after I get rid of this foot trolley motor, I will use this hand trolley motor instead, since I fish by myself most of the time. Alright guys, here we go. So this is the top speed of my drum boat, 5 horsepower. Without the deck at the front and the front trolley motor. $13 miles per hour.